Hello everyone. So welcome to Akriti. We have come from Banaras to all elaborate our ethnic and traditional and western sari to you all. So I am gonna show you first sari which is very in trend. Nowadays we say old fashion is nowadays is gold. So I'm going to show you one best sari of chicken curry. So this is the Georgette sari which has a chicken curry work, and it's a fusion combination of Pochampalli. Even this is just not the border, we do have on Pallu part as well. So this is the Pallu which gives a fashion fusion look. And this is the excellent sari nowadays is very trendy. This is the second sari which has a Meenakari detailing. So this is the body part of the sari. You can see this is like hot pink color which is giving a contrast vibe with teal blue and wine color. And you can see such a cute border. It's not too big, not too small. And I'm gonna show you the pallu part which is very cute. You can see it. Entire sari is very nice, and the pallu part and the border is highlighting this amazing sari with the contrast vibe. So I'm gonna show you this third sari. So this is the body part of this sari, and this is Katan silk, which has a jungle theme of forest weaving, which has again small border of flower and gold zari. Now I'll show you excellent pallu part, which is really amazing. You can see the detailing of this pallu with the forest theme and flowers, with again green. Base code is green color with a sky blue, some little oranges, and it's like a multicolored. So you can carry on any occasions. So this is very nice sky blue color and contrast vibrant of pink and little bit of lilac color. This is one of the best sari. This fabric is called Georgette and it has a rose flower weaving. So this is not the print, this is the flower weaving. And I'm gonna show you the border part. This is like a gold resham zari. And I'm gonna show you the beautiful pallu part, which is again gold zari. So if you carry this sari, this looks very nice. This is beautiful sari. This is one of the beautiful sari again. This is into Katan silk, and it has a green bandhani border with this beautiful sleek border on the side. And this is the pallu part. Pallu is also very beautiful with gold resham zari and weaving with the contrast resham threads. So you can carry in any occasions like wedding, functions, pujas, on any special things. On a pallu part, it has a beautiful tassels. This is another sari which is called the weave called double ikat, and it is into bandhani style, like it's a touch of bandhani. You can see the circle part and it is weaved in zigzag pattern. So you can see the border with the gold resham zari. And I'm gonna show you the pallu part. So this is again gold resham zari with fusion of different shades of pista green. So you can carry this on the day parties or some special occasion of birthdays or any. You can use the sari as uh, any function puja because it's a light shade and looks very pretty after carrying. So this is one of the softest sari which I really like it, and this has a a touch of rose gold zari on the border part, and this is all the detailing you can see which is in red and green, which is it's called pashmina weave, and this is into Banarsi. I'm gonna show you the pallu part which is in black and rose gold color. So these are really very nice. You can have this sari and you can carry this sari at any time. So this is one of the sari which has a jamdani weave. The body color is pink and with gold zari. And the border, you can see it is in green and gold combination, which is like a nice vibrant color with pink and green. So I'm going to show you the pallu part. So this is the contrast pallu with green and gold zari, and this looks amazing because the weaving it calls is jamdani, but this is we have done into Banarsi, so you can have this sari at any time. So this is one of the best sari. This is into Katan silk with Meenakari weaves. The color combination of flower is orange, peach and pink. This sari is like little bit of greenish, teal greenish, and it has a gold zari border, and the pallu is really exclusive. This is the very beautiful pallu. So it has also a very detailing part with very minute weaving part. This is my latest collection, which is in like little bit orange color, and you can visit our page to have this sari. So this has also a green border which we with a orange resham thread with green. And I'm gonna show you the pallu. Pallu has a contrast color, same color of border. This is my latest collection and it is available on Instagram. So my Insta page name is Handfabs. You can visit there. So thank you so much.